Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquin, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss the Java program in BlueJ environment. Means how to write Java programs in BlueJ environment, how compile it and how to run the program. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquin. Today I will discuss how to write Java program and how to compile and run within BlueJ environment. Okay, here I am using BlueJ version 4.1.4. Okay, hello friends, this is the BlueJ environment where we write our Java code, compile and run here. Okay, so before we start, we should know that we should create a project. Actually, the project name means we are creating a folder, and on that folder all the Java class file reside on that particular folder. Okay, so before we start, just go to the project button and just click on new project. Put a name here. Suppose we put the name of the project is test, and this test folder just store within the E drive of my computer is concerned, and press OK. Okay, and we have just closed that. And now what happened? Just see, the project name is test. Okay, now whatever the class create here, and within that class we are write our Java code, should store within that folder test. Okay, now what happened? If we create a class, just press on new class button and just provide a name. Suppose we put here the class name is example. Okay, and just press OK. So just see, there is a example class is there, and this diagonal lines indicate that this class is not compiled. Okay, so at first we should write the code within that example class. So just right click on that and just click on open editor. So whatever the written to there is by default, so just select all the part and press delete, and now just write your code within that. So here write class and the class name is example, and just provide a brace open and should be closed after when we complete that. And here suppose we define a method void main, simple, and within that main method we are defining a line, or we are defining a statement system.out.println, and just write here hello BlueJ. Okay, double quotant and parenthesis close, and after what we should close the main method, and after what we should close our class example. Okay, now what happened? We just close that editor, and after that, and now what happened? We should compile that example class. So just right click on that and just compiled, and just see there is nothing is there, means compiling, and it is done. So just see, the whatever the diagonal lines are there, it's no more there. Only in the bottom part, this is only two lines, means the class file is already compiled. Okay, now right click on that and just see, this is a first line, new example, means we are creating the object of that class, means we are instantiate of the class example. Just select this new example, parenthesis open close, and suppose we put the object name for an example ex. Okay, and press OK, and just see, this is an object is already created. Okay, this object means it's an instantiation of the class example. Okay, now I just run that particular program. So what happened? Just right click on that and just call void main, and just see within the console it just print hello BlueJ. Okay, so this is the way how to write the Java code within the BlueJ environment, and how compile it and how run the program. So at first we should create the project, put a name something, and after we just create the class, whatever the class name you are thinking about, and then put some code within that class, and then we should compile that, and then we create the object of that class, means we are instantiate of that class. After that we should run that code just right click on that object. Okay, and within the console we get the output. Okay, I think you have understood this topic, the interaction part of BlueJ. So in BlueJ environment, how to write our first Java code and how to compile it and how to run that code. Okay.
I hope that you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arquin. Thank you and bye-bye.